You are honest. You are a good person. You tell yourself this every single day. But right now, sitting in front of this screen, stop. Because the person you think you are is not you. It is your oldest lie. Think of a moment. Someone wronged you in front of others. You said nothing. You stayed silent. People later said, "You were so composed, so patient." You smiled. But inside, there was anger. A quiet, cold, precise anger. And beside that anger, there was something else. Judgment. You judged them completely, silently. You told no one because you were honest. Honest people don't think like that. So you said nothing, but you felt it. And that feeling, it is still there. You know it is. You helped someone once, real help. They were in trouble. You stepped forward, but that night, alone, a thought appeared. Does he know what I did? Is he grateful? Did he tell anyone? You pushed it away because good people don't think like that. But it came on its own from you. What does that say about you? You won't answer, but the question stays. Another moment. Someone made a mistake. You corrected them, politely, correctly. But inside, there was a feeling. You were right, they were wrong. And that felt good, just a little. You won't admit it, but it did. Another one. Someone did better than you. More praise, more opportunity. You said, "Good for them." Maybe you meant it, but just before saying it, for 1 second, something was there, inside your chest. You didn't name it, because that name does not fit who you think you are. You are honest. You are not jealous. So that feeling has no name, but it existed. And one more. Someone asked for your advice. You gave it. But in that moment, you were slightly above them. They were below. You were above. They didn't know. You knew. And you liked that position. 3 different moments. 1 pattern. Can you see it? Right now you are saying, "This is normal. Everyone feels this." Yes. But not everyone claims to be honest. You do. That is the difference. When you make a mistake, there is always a reason. The situation, the pressure, the other person. But when someone else makes a mistake, that is their character. Have you noticed? Your mistakes get context. Theirs get judgment. This double standard is so deep inside you, you no longer see it. You call it being realistic. And one more thing, when you forgive someone, do you really forgive, or do you just pretend to forget? Because forgiving makes you a good person. And being a good person matters to you far too much. Why? Now look at everything together. You help, but you want recognition. You forgive, but you don't forget. You stay silent, but you judge inside. You excuse yourself, but judge others. You are honest, but only when it benefits your image. This is not weakness. This is not dishonesty. This is something deeper. You built a version of yourself, and you believe in it completely. And to protect that version, you ignore certain truths every single day. And the most dangerous part, you do it so well. You don't even know you are doing it. The person you think you are is good, is honest, is caring, but that person is constructed, carefully built over years for yourself in a mirror. And in that mirror, you only see what you want to see. The rest you hid long ago in a dark corner where you never go. But something is there, waiting, and it knows everything. You chose to ignore. You feel uncomfortable now, maybe even a little angry. Maybe you are saying, "This is not about me." That reaction has a name. You are honest, maybe, but one question remains. The person you think you know best, is that really you? Or is it the person you wish you were?